Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install, configure, and use Payu with Bitrix24. This integration is incredibly useful for businesses looking to streamline their payment processing directly within their Bitrix24 workspace, making transactions smoother and more efficient for both you and your customers. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Bitrix24.com. Once you've arrived at the page, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account. Enter your credentials carefully, making sure you have your username and password ready. This will give you access to your workspace where we'll be setting up the Payu integration. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find several navigation options. Look for the market icon and click on it. This is your gateway to the Bitrix24 marketplace, where you can discover and add various applications and integrations that extend the functionality of your workspace. The marketplace is home to numerous tools designed to enhance your business operations. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Payu and press enter to search for the application. This will filter through all available apps and display Payu in the results. When you spot it, go ahead and click on the Payu listing to open its details page. On the Payu details page, you'll see an install button. Click on it to begin the installation process. At this point, the system will present you with 3 boxes that you'll need to select. These boxes typically represent permissions or terms of service that you're agreeing to by installing the application. Make sure to select all 3 boxes, then click the Install button to proceed with the installation. The installation process will take just a moment as Bitrix24 integrates Payu into your workspace. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option that says Open App. Click on this button to launch Payu for the first time and begin the configuration process. Now comes the important part of setting up your Payu account within Bitrix24. You'll be presented with a form requesting some essential information. You'll need to provide your name, which should be your business name or your personal name depending on how you're using the service. Next, enter your email address, making sure it's accurate, as this will be used for important notifications and communications regarding your transactions. Finally, input your phone number, which serves as an additional contact method for account verification and support purposes. After you've filled in all the required information, double-check that everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your Payu configuration. The system will process your details and complete the setup. And there you have it, you've successfully installed, configured, and set up Payu within your Bitrix24 account, enabling seamless payment processing for your business operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.